everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into your Gusto employee account on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to start, open up a web browser. In the web address bar that pops up at the top, go ahead and type in app.gusto.com and press enter. Gusto is a company that provides a cloud-based payroll, benefits, and human resource management software for businesses based in the United States. If you'd like to log into your employee account, go ahead and in the login area, type in your email address in the first text field. Type in your email address correct. Head over to the next field after you're done and type in the password associated with your account. If you're having trouble signing in, for example, if you've forgotten your email address or your password and don't know what to do next, you can click on this link right here beneath that says having trouble signing in and follow the on-screen prompts in order to resolve your problem. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials in this device so that you won't have to type it in again and again next time you log into your account, click on this remember this device box, but remember to leave it unchecked if you are using a public device or a shared computer at the moment. Finally, after you are done typing in your credential and you are ready to log in, click the sign in button and you'll be logged into your Gusto employee account right away. If you don't have an employee account yet, you can go ahead and register yourself by clicking on this don't have an employee account link beneath the pop-up box and follow the on-screen prompts. That was how you can easily log into your employee account using Gusto. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.